Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 23rd, 2023. And I've already solved a regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. Tough one, yes, tough one. And I will continue with this one. Yes, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them, 4 of them, I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's war day number 546. 546 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, tectonic number 6970. And this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 9 by 11. Yes. Sometimes we have a tectonic with 8 by 11. This one is a 9 by 11. And sometimes 8 by 8. Anyway, this one has I believe 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, so should be a 1 star, 2 stars. A puzzle for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, a single box. Only one single box here. Yes, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order here, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. More dual boxes here, another 1 and a 2, do not know in which order. Need more information. Okay, triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. More triple boxes here. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Then the next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left with 1 should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Let me check. More quadra boxes. No. Only 1 quadra box. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here we have another shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so 1 box left. In this dual box for number 1. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The S or the Z construction. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one Z or S construction. If you rotate it, you will get the S. If you mirror this and rotate this, you will get the Z. Alright, the next shape. How about the T shape? This is rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. More shapes. Let me check. Are there more shapes here? Yeah. The final one. This one. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. By the way, maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, with only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. If I place a 1 here or 2, I cannot fill any 1 or any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 is left in this area. Should be for the number 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Well, 3, 4, 2, 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, cannot be a 3 and a 4. We have a double 3 there, double 4 there, so 1 digit left. Yeah, should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, so also 3 and 4. Alright. Let me go here. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box. Oh, wait. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 1 or a 4. But I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 and double 2 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 1. Alright. Then this box cannot be a 1 or a, oh wait, these two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area. It should be there, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this 2 is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this S construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction for number 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. And it's connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left for 4 and 3 are missing. Okay. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see, we go up here. This box can be a 2. So 2, wait. Yeah, wait. This box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be here also. In one of those two boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 here, so this box should be a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. And this one is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay. And now, these two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, okay. Let me think. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. The hard part. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright, this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes in there. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 4 in this S construction. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So the 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 2. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And the last two numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, a little bit longer than 15. Maybe a 2 stars. But I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.